And today I'm going to be reading Dotcom secrets. Like and subscribe. At one of my recent Inner Circle meetings, Mike Schmidt and AJ Rivera came to the meeting with a webinar funnel they had created that was a huge flop. It was costing them $24.85 to get someone to register for the webinar, and they only had $22.4% of the registrants actually show up. They were frustrated, thinking they need to create a new type of funnel to sell their product. And they showed the group their webinar registration page. While this page looked like a good webinar registration page, the market had told them that it was not. Lots of people were seeing it, but very few registered. I looked at it for a few seconds and gave them an idea to test. I told them that I thought the headline gave away what they were going to learn on the webinar. It said that the webinar would show a secret method for helping companies get more real 5-star reviews. I could tell from the headline that the webinar is about getting reviews, and I thought that if I knew the answer to the questions, I don't think that I would register for it. And even if I did, I may not show up. I suggested that they try a test where they didn't tell people what they would learn on the webinar, but instead tell people what the webinar is not about and create more curiosity. They went home and changed the headline for the registration page and nothing else. The new headline created more curiosity, which caused more people to register and show up. So this is the original page. And this is their new page. So you can see on the old page, he says, how to add 6 figures to your web design business by copying my secret method for helping companies. And then the next one said how I added 6 figures to my web company by adding this one easy to offer service. This one small tweak dropped the cost for each webinar registration from $24.85 to $5.84, and increased the show-up rate from 22.4% to 31.7%. Can you imagine the size of the raise that they gave themselves from this one small funnel audible? Now that you have the first set of numbers from your initial test, so the marketing and funnel game becomes fun. We get to start calling audibles, making changes, and watching our funnel improve. So basically, he's just giving an example of these funnels and how you have to call like audibles and you have to make changes, and that's okay. It's part of the process. So if you like this video, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye.